This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jacqueline Kalu. This triplex property, located in the highly sought-after area of Grapeland Heights, has undergone extensive renovations, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Situated just blocks from the new soccer stadium, the Miami River, Miami International Airport, and in close proximity to and Miami beaches, this property offers strategic access to key amenities and attractions. Each unit is equipped with washer/dryer and brand new major appliances, providing added convenience for tenants. The installation of impact windows and doors, a new roof, all completed with proper work permits within the last 4 months, serve as additional reassurances for potential investors. For more information, review the details below or contact Jacqueline Kalu at 786-581-1400.